Those epic cinematic aerial shots that used to define big-budget movies, the kind that took helicopters and specialized equipment to capture, they're no longer just for Hollywood. Now anyone can achieve that stunning visual storytelling. Drones have democratized filmmaking, putting that power, that perspective right in your hands. The ability to capture breathtaking aerial footage is now accessible to everyone. And when it comes to choosing the right tool for the job, DJI's Mavic 3 is the go-to for creators. It's become a staple in the industry, because it allows them to capture pro-level footage without the hassle, without the complexity often associated with professional equipment. It's not just about flying high and getting a bird's-eye view, it's about unlocking new ways to tell your story, to add depth and dimension to your creative vision, and to share perspectives that were previously impossible. The Mavic 3 stands out from the crowd for its exceptional image quality, delivering stunning visuals that capture every detail. And with its impressive flight stability, you can count on smooth cinematic aerial footage, even in challenging conditions. Plus, it's packed with smart features that make flying and filming easier than ever before. And the best part? All of this power and capability comes in a remarkably portable package. With the Mavic 3, you get a drone that feels like a natural extension of your creativity, empowering you to bring your ideas to life. It's a tool that enhances your workflow, not a technical headache that slows you down. With its long battery life and rock-solid connection, you can stay focused on capturing the perfect shot, without worrying about technical limitations or unexpected interruptions. DJI designed the Mavic 3 specifically for creators who demand more from their equipment. It's a tool that seamlessly bridges the gap between hobbyist and professional, offering features and performance that appeal to a wide range of users. It's a leap forward in drone technology, offering advanced capabilities that were once exclusively reserved for much bigger, more complex, and pricier rigs. So let's dive into the details and explore what makes the Mavic 3 a true game-changer in the world of aerial photography and videography. What truly sets the Mavic 3 apart from the competition? What's the feature that everyone's talking about? It's undoubtedly its revolutionary dual camera system. This innovative setup offers unparalleled creative possibilities. The main camera boasts a large 4/3 Hasselblad sensor, a significant upgrade for image quality. This sensor size is unheard of in a foldable drone, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerial photography. A bigger sensor translates to richer, more vibrant colors, significantly improved low-light performance, and the ability to capture stunning detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Every shot is crisp and clear. Hasselblad's renowned color science delivers beautiful, natural-looking footage straight out of the camera, minimizing the need for extensive color correction. This saves you valuable time in post-production, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your creative workflow. For the ultimate in editing flexibility, the Cine model even shoots in Apple ProRes, a professional-grade codec. And complementing the main camera is the impressive telephoto lens, opening up a new world of creative possibilities. This lens offers up to 28x hybrid zoom, allowing you to get incredibly close to your subject from a safe distance. But the telephoto lens isn't just for scouting distant subjects, it's a powerful creative tool in its own right. Specifically, it lets you create dramatic parallax effects, compress perspective, and achieve entirely new compositions that were previously impossible. You can instantly switch between wide, expansive cinematic shots that capture the grandeur of the landscape and tight, creative angles that focus on specific details and create a sense of intimacy. This level of versatility is like having a whole bag of prime lenses at your disposal, all while soaring through the sky. Ultimately, the Mavic 3's dual cameras encourage experimentation, push creative boundaries, and elevate your storytelling to new heights. It's more than just a flying camera. It's a comprehensive creative toolkit that empowers you to bring your vision to life. A great camera, capable of capturing breathtaking images and video, is a crucial component for any aerial endeavor. But even the most advanced camera is nothing without a reliable drone platform to carry it. A stable and responsive drone is essential for capturing smooth, cinematic footage. The Mavic 3 delivers an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes. This extended airtime allows you to explore your subject fully, experiment with different angles, and capture all the footage you need without the stress of a quickly depleting battery. That's plenty of time to get the perfect shot, whether you're capturing a sweeping landscape or a dynamic action sequence. Beyond its impressive flight time, The Mavic 3 is rock solid in the air, providing a stable platform for capturing crisp, clear images and video. It handles wind and complex maneuvers with ease, ensuring smooth and steady footage even in challenging conditions. You can confidently execute complex shots, knowing that the drone will remain stable and responsive. The O3 Plus transmission system gives you a crystal-clear, low-latency video feed directly to your controller. This reliable connection ensures you can see exactly what the drone sees, even from far away, allowing for precise framing and control. Omnidirectional obstacle sensors are a crucial safety feature, keeping you safe and preventing costly accidents. These sensors constantly scan the environment for hazards on all sides, providing comprehensive awareness of your surroundings. The Advanced Pilot Assistance System, APAS, takes obstacle avoidance to the next level, navigating around obstacles smoothly and intelligently. This allows you to focus on filming and composing the perfect shot, without constantly worrying about collisions. Features like Active Track let you follow subjects with ease, keeping them in the frame as they move. And while you're tracking, the drone intelligently avoids obstacles for you, ensuring a safe and smooth flight. Whether you're a seasoned pro pushing the boundaries of aerial cinematography, or a beginner just starting to explore the world of drone flight, the Mavic 3 gives you peace of mind, knowing that you have a reliable and capable tool at your disposal, unlocking your creative freedom. With its intelligent flight modes and advanced safety features, the Mavic 3 is like having a skilled co-pilot on every flight, assisting you with complex maneuvers and ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. You focus on the shot, framing the perfect composition and capturing the moment, while the drone handles the rest, providing a seamless and intuitive flying experience. The drone market is crowded, but the Mavic 3 is in a league of its own. Compared to the Mini 3 Pro or Air 2S, the Mavic 3's larger sensor and telephoto lens deliver unmatched image quality and creative options. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and refined software make it safer and easier to use. DJI's ecosystem is polished and reliable, crucial for professional work. The Mavic 3 packs pro-level power into a foldable, backpack-friendly frame. It democratizes high-end aerial imaging, no crew or huge budget required. For creators who won't compromise, it's the obvious choice. The Mavic 3 is the best of both worlds: professional results, portable design. So, who should get the Mavic 3? If you're a professional or serious creator, it's a no-brainer. Image quality and features rival much bigger rigs. Real estate, weddings, documentaries, YouTube, this drone delivers. Serious hobbyists ready to level up will love the creative freedom and safety features. Beginners, the Mini 3 Pro is a better, more affordable starting point. The Mavic 3 is for those who obsess over detail, dynamic range, and cinematic motion. It's the king of prosumer drones, world-class camera, top-tier flight, and smart safety. If you want to turn your vision into breathtaking reality, the Mavic 3 is your creative partner.